Hello everyone, I am Charanjit here from California Public School. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. What is cell range? A range is a group of continuous cells which form the shape of rectangle. It's a group of two cells or it's a group of cells of entire sheet. We can specify the range by writing the starting cell and colon, and at the end we have to write the ending cell address. How we can select the range? Select the particular cell and pressing the left button drag it down. So this is the range of the cells that indicates from D to D7 there are total 6 cells. We can use the keys also to select the range. Select this cell and by pressing the shift we can drag the range like this. Okay, or for selecting the range we can also press the F2 key to extend the selection key by arrows. Here I am not using the mouse, I am using the arrow key. Okay, so to end this selection we have to press again F8 key. Yes. So how we can use the range of the cells in formulas? I am typing here this data. So to calculate the total sale, that is in 6 months, we have to write is equal to, then sum. This is the function, students. This is not formula. This is the function that is predefined in the MS Excel. To add these values, I am writing here sum, and within braces I have to add the range B2 colon B7 and the brace and enter. Look at this. Here is a sum of the all the total sale, that is from Jan to June. How to name a range? Select the cells that we want to name. Select the range of cells for which we are giving the name and go to the formula tab. Then select the option define name. Here type the name of the range that we want to set. From this drop down menu we can add the scope of the name. It means from where it is available. I can use it only in sheet 1, and in comment section we can add some text if we want. This is not required field, but it's for just understanding. In the refers to option, make sure that the required range is specified, B2 to B8. Press OK. Now what is the name of this range? Sold, that is shown here. Yes. Now how we can use this named range in the future? How we can use that name which we have already defined. So if I want to calculate again the total by using the defined name, how is equal to sum, put the brace and go to the formula tab, then use in formula and select the name sold units that we have given to a range, then close the brace, enter. See here, this result is same as this. Here we specify the range and here We specify the name of the range only. Yes, I think it's clear to you. Thank you, students. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.